Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be coloring this hibiscus bouquet using Prismacolor pencils. I will guide you through each step, perfect for relaxing, learning and getting inspired. Let's check the materials we will need. I'll be using regular A4 printer paper, slightly thick, Prismacolor Premier colored pencils, 150 set, and a small set of acrylic markers to highlight. Always start with the lightest colors first. For the petals, the base color will be a smooth gradient from neon yellow to neon orange. To build depth and define the petal veins, I'm layering permanent red and Tuscan red. Imagine where the light comes from. Those will be the brightest areas of the petals. Go in light layers and follow the natural curve of each petal. Take your time with the blending. For even more contrast and structure, I'll use black sparingly to enhance definition. Repeat the process with each petal. This helps create an organic, flowing texture. Now let's color the leaves. We will start with spring green as the base color. Cover the entire leaf, especially the areas that catch the most light or stick out more. To add volume, I'm layering grass green, focusing on the mid-tones and shaded areas. Next, we will use dark green to bring out the texture and veins of the leaf. Follow the natural direction of the veins with your pencil strokes. This makes the leaf look more realistic and organic. I'm going back with the spring green and add some highlights, gently blending to bring everything together. For definition, instead of black, which can be too harsh for leaves, we will use sepia. It gives a softer, more natural depth without overpowering the greens. I'm switching from spring green to chartreuse for the stems. It's a bit brighter, which helps the thin flower stems stand out more clearly against the leaves. For the shadows, I'm using the same darker green tones we used earlier on the leaves. This keeps the color palette consistent while still adding depth and dimension. We've finished the coloring using Prismacolor pencils, and now it's time for the final lighting touches using acrylic markers. I'll use yellow to highlight the anther and bring out an extra glow. And that's it, our drawing has come to life. Don't forget to sign your artwork. You're creating something beautiful and unique. And if you feel like sharing it, I would love to see your creations. Tag me on Instagram, leave me a comment below, and make sure to follow on YouTube for more videos. Thank you for being here. Have a colorful day and see you next time.